Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 188. Start with this column here. We're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. For this box, we're missing a 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 8. 6 here, so 4, 8, and no help here, 4, 6, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing a 4 and a 5. Got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 and 5 here, so 6, 5 here, so 1, 5. For this row then, we're just missing a 4. And for this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so 9. A 7 here, so 2, 7. For this column now, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so 9. A 1 here, so 4 and 1. For this bottom row, we're missing a 3 and a 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 8. 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column, we're just missing a 9. For this column, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so 8. 1 here, so 7, 1. That 8 makes this our 6. We can get rid of the 6. For this row now, we're just missing a 2. For this column, we're missing 4 and a 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. That 4 makes this our 8, 4. And to finish off this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got oh, no, we're not. 1, 2, missing 3 and 8. So we've got a 3 here, so 8 and 3. All right, that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.